If I lost everything tomorrow and had to rebuild from zero, here's exactly how I'd use AI to get to $10,000 a month. No savings, no connections, no fancy degree, just a laptop and an internet connection. This isn't theory. Every step I'm about to break down is being done by real people right now. Step 1. Pick a skill that AI makes 10 times faster. You don't need to learn everything. You need one marketable skill where AI gives you a massive speed advantage. The best options right now are copywriting, video editing, web development, and graphic design. AI doesn't replace the human in the loop. It replaces the hours of grunt work. A landing page that used to take a freelancer 3 days now takes 3 hours with Cursor or Bolt. That speed difference is your profit margin. Step 2. Build a portfolio in one weekend. Here's what most people get wrong. They spend months learning before they start earning. Don't do that. Use AI to create 5 sample projects, 5 landing pages, 5 sets of ad copy, 5 brand identity packages. Whatever your chosen skill is, build 5 examples that look like client work. Put them on a simple portfolio site. You can build the site itself with AI in about 2 hours using tools like Vercel's V0 or Lovable. Step 3. Get your first 3 clients on Upwork and Fiverr. Set your prices low to start. Not because your work isn't good, but because you need reviews. 5-star reviews are the currency of freelancing platforms. Your first 3 clients should be priced at $50 to $100 per project. Deliver exceptional work. Over-communicate. Hit deadlines early. Those first reviews unlock everything that comes after. Step 4. Raise prices and systematize. Once you have 10 completed projects with strong reviews, double your prices. Then create templates and workflows so every new project takes less time. A freelancer charging $500 per landing page, completing 2 per week, is already at $4,000 a month. Add email sequences or ad copy as upsells, and you're pushing past $6,000. Step 5. Package it into a productized service. This is where it gets interesting. Stop selling hours. Start selling outcomes. Instead of saying, I'll write your copy for $50 an hour, say I'll create your complete email welcome sequence for $750. Fixed price, fixed deliverable. Clients love this because they know exactly what they're paying. You love it because AI helps you deliver in a fraction of the time they expect. Step 6. Scale with AI automation. Now you automate the boring parts. Client onboarding forms with Typeform, project management with Notion AI, invoice generation, follow-up emails, content repurposing. Every hour you save through automation is an hour you can spend on another client or building something bigger. The math works out like this. 3 to 5 clients paying $1,000 to $2,000 per month each. That's your $10,000. And the beautiful part is that AI handles 60 to 70% of the actual production work. The people who will be wealthy in 5 years aren't the ones with the best resumes. They're the ones who learned to leverage AI before everyone else caught on. Start today, not tomorrow. Today. Follow for more AI income strategies.